A 9-to-5 job doesn't mean a 9-to-5 life. It's a common misconception that working a regular job confines you to a mundane existence. But the truth is, your job is just one part of your life, not the entirety of it. You clock in, you work hard, you clock out. But what happens next? That's where the magic begins. Think about Sarah, a full-time accountant who spent her evenings learning digital marketing. Within 2 years, she turned her side hustle into a full-time business. Your job is just a starting point, not the final destination. It's the daily grind. But it doesn't have to define your life. Your passions, hobbies, and personal projects can flourish beyond the confines of your work schedule. You can build real wealth even with a regular job. By managing your finances wisely, investing smartly, and saving diligently, you can create a solid financial foundation. It's about making smart choices and having the right mindset. Educate yourself, seek out opportunities for growth, and never stop learning. You can achieve financial freedom. It's not an overnight journey, but with persistence and dedication, it's within your reach. Many people think a 9-to-5 job is a life sentence to mediocrity. But that's not true. It's all about perspective. Your job can be a stepping stone to greater things. Your job provides a steady income. This reliability is a powerful tool that can help you plan and build for the future. This income is your foundation. Use it to invest in your dreams, whether it's starting a business, buying a home, or traveling the world. Use it wisely to create something amazing. The possibilities are endless when you leverage your resources effectively. Don't let anyone tell you that you can't build wealth on a 9-to-5. Many successful people started with regular jobs and used them as a launchpad for their ambitions. You have the power to change your financial future. It starts with setting clear goals and taking consistent action towards them. It starts with a decision. Decide to take control of your finances, your career, and your life. Decide today that you will build a better future for yourself. You are in control. Every small step you take brings you closer to your dreams. Believe in yourself and your ability to achieve great things. Confidence and self-belief are crucial in overcoming obstacles and reaching your goals. Your 9-to-5 is just the beginning, not the end. It's the starting point of a journey that can lead to incredible achievements and a fulfilling life. What is one thing you've always wanted to learn outside of your 9-to-5 job? Drop it in the comments below. Take 30 seconds right now. Write down 3 things you love doing and 3 things people often compliment you on. You might just discover a hidden talent waiting to be explored. You have unique skills and talents. These are the building blocks of your potential. Recognizing and nurturing them can open doors you never imagined. What are you good at? Reflect on your strengths. Are you a natural problem solver, a creative thinker, or a great communicator? What do you enjoy doing? Your passions can guide you towards a fulfilling career. Think about the activities that make you lose track of time. Aligning your work with your interests can lead to financial success. When work becomes a source of joy and satisfaction, it doesn't feel like work. If you're great with numbers, explore careers in finance, accounting, or data analysis. These fields are always in demand and offer lucrative opportunities. Or if you have a knack for design, consider graphic design, interior decorating, or fashion. Identify your strengths and see where they can take you. Your strengths can become income streams. Freelancing, consulting, or starting your own business are all viable options in the booming gig economy. Turn your passions into profits. Whether it's crafting, writing, or coding, there's a market for your skills. The internet makes it easier than ever to reach a global audience. Think about what you love to do. Your hobbies and interests are clues to potential career paths and can provide insights into what you might enjoy professionally. Can you turn it into a side hustle? Many successful businesses started as side projects. With dedication and hard work, your side hustle could become your main income source. Use your skills to start a small business. The possibilities are endless. Explore your options, research different fields, and talk to people in those industries. Find something that excites you. Passion is a powerful motivator. When you're passionate about your work, it shows and can lead to greater success and fulfillment. Your dream job might be closer than you think. Keep an open mind, stay curious, and be willing to take risks. The journey to uncovering your potential is ongoing and ever-evolving. Negativity can drain your energy and hold you back. Surround yourself with positive influences. Positive people uplift and inspire you. Think about this. You're excited about starting a new business, but every time you share your plans, a certain friend tells you it's too risky. That negativity seeps into your mind. Now imagine surrounding yourself with people who encourage and support you. How different would your journey feel? Do you have someone in your life who constantly brings you down? Maybe it's time to rethink your inner circle. Seek out mentors who have achieved what you desire. You become like the people you spend the most time with. Choose your circle wisely. Surround yourself with those who support your goals. Positive energy is contagious. It fuels your drive and determination. Create a positive and supportive environment for yourself. Mentors are invaluable on your journey to wealth. They offer guidance, support, and wisdom. Find someone who has achieved what you desire. But where do you look? Start with LinkedIn, join Facebook groups in your industry, or attend networking events. Mentors are out there. You just have to reach out. A good mentor helps you avoid costly mistakes. They guide you on the path to success. Don't hesitate to reach out to people you admire. Many successful individuals are willing to help others. Mentorship is a two-way street. Respect their time and advice. Be eager to learn and grow. A true mentor can make all the difference. Before we dive deeper, if this is resonating with you, hit that like button now. It helps us reach more people who need this message. And don't forget to check out the links in the description for more insights. Investing in yourself. Did you know that Warren Buffett once said, "The best investment you can make is in yourself"? Studies show that people who continuously learn earn on average 47% more over their lifetime than those who don't. So pick up that book, take that course, and invest in your future. Investing in yourself is the best investment you can make. This includes your education, skills, and personal growth. Never stop learning. Take courses, attend workshops, read books. The more you know, the more valuable you become. Knowledge is power, especially in today's economy. Invest in your health and well-being too. A healthy mind and body are essential for success. Make time for exercise, eat nutritious foods, and get enough sleep. Remember, you are your greatest asset. By investing in yourself, you are investing in your future success. Never underestimate the power of personal growth. The power of networking. Networking is essential for building wealth. Attend industry events, join online communities, and connect with people in your field. Don't be afraid to put yourself out there. Building relationships can open doors to new opportunities. You never know who you might meet. Be genuine in your interactions. Focus on building real connections, not just collecting business cards. Offer value to others, and they will be more likely to reciprocate. Networking can lead to new clients, partnerships, and collaborations. It's an investment in your future success. Your next opportunity is just one connection away. Right now, challenge yourself. Reach out to one new person today. You never know where it might lead. Mastering the art of sales. You might think, I'm not in sales. But guess what? Every job involves sales. Whether you're pitching an idea at work, negotiating a raise, or even convincing a friend to try your favorite restaurant, you're selling. The better you master this skill, the more successful you'll be. Sales skills are crucial for success in any profession. You are always selling, whether it's your ideas, services, or yourself. Learn to communicate effectively and develop your persuasion skills. Understand the psychology of selling. These skills are valuable in all aspects of life. Take courses, read books, or shadow a successful salesperson. The ability to sell can lead to increased income and opportunities. Remember, selling is about building trust, understanding needs, and providing solutions. Setting your sights on success. Close your eyes for a moment. Picture yourself in 5 years. What do you see? A successful business? A dream house? More time with family? Now open your eyes and ask yourself, what small step can I take today to bring that vision closer to reality? Setting clear and specific goals is crucial. Without a clear target, it's easy to get lost in the day-to-day hustle. Goals give you direction and purpose, acting as a roadmap to your desired destination. What do you want to achieve? Visualize your future. Picture yourself in 5, 10, or even 20 years. What does success look like to you? Is it financial freedom, a thriving business, or a balanced life filled with meaningful relationships? How much wealth do you want to build? Be specific with your financial goals. Do you want to save a certain amount by a particular age, or invest in real estate or stocks? Define your financial milestones clearly. Write down your goals and create a plan to achieve them. Putting your goals on paper makes them tangible and real. A well-thought-out plan will guide you through the necessary steps to reach your objectives. Break down your goals into smaller, manageable steps. Large goals can seem overwhelming, but by dividing them into smaller tasks, you make them more approachable. Each small victory brings you closer to your ultimate goal. Celebrate each milestone you reach, no matter how small. Recognizing your progress keeps you motivated and reinforces your commitment to your goals. Celebrate your successes along the way. Acknowledging your achievements boosts your morale and encourages you to keep pushing forward. It's important to enjoy the journey, not just the destination. Track your progress and make adjustments as needed. Regularly reviewing your goals and progress helps you stay on track. If something isn't working, don't be afraid to tweak your plan. Flexibility is key to overcoming obstacles and staying aligned with your objectives. Building wealth and achieving success takes time, effort, and patience. Stay committed to your goals and remember that every small step forward is progress. Be patient, persistent, and stay focused on your goals. Success leaves clues. Look for patterns and strategies that have worked for others and see how they can be adapted to your own journey. Study those who have already achieved what you desire. Learning from the experiences of others can provide valuable insights and shortcuts. Read biographies, attend seminars, and seek mentorship from those who have walked the path before you. Learn from their strategies and apply them to your own life. Adapt their methods to fit your unique situation and goals. With dedication, persistence, and the right strategies, you can set your sights on success and achieve your dreams. Visualizing your wealthy future. Visualization is a powerful tool for success. Create a clear mental picture of your desired future. Imagine living a life of abundance and financial freedom. Feel the emotions of achieving your goals. The more vividly you see and feel your success, the more likely you are to achieve it. Surround yourself with images and affirmations that inspire you. Visualize your goals daily and let that vision fuel your actions. Remember, your thoughts become your reality. So, what's your vision for the future? Let us know in the comments. And if you're ready to make it happen, hit that subscribe button. We'll be right here, guiding you every step of the way. Think big, dream bigger, and believe in your ability to create a wealthy and fulfilling life. Want to take your journey even further? Check out the links in the description for powerful resources and tools to help you on your path to success. If you're ready to take control of your future, hit that subscribe button now. Join our incredible community of growth seekers. Together, we're building a path to success, one step at a time. Keep thriving, keep shining, and as always, see you in the next video.